Yeah, we're doing one of these YouTube clips. Bit of a clip with some snazzy text on it. Then, oh, we better cut somewhere else. Hi guys. Hi kids. And all that, you know, stuff. Let's go and see what it's like out and about on the roads today. It's 2 degrees. It's raining. We haven't been out on the bike for ages. So we're just out and about having a bit of fun today, but in the style of a YouTube moto vlogger, generic sort, you know. Purely because, well, it seems that everybody does that, so I may as well do it again, myself. So what can we see? Plenty of rain, yeah, nice blurry image, thank you, nice, good. Oncoming vehicle, oncoming sack truck. Get out of the way then, put your lights on, not just your fog lights. And off we go. Heading out of town, just seeing what we can see. Okay. Thinking about what we're doing on the bike at any point in time, but also thinking about our content and our YouTube brand. And just making sure that, you know, we tick all the right boxes. I've got my snazzy text at the start. I've got an unrelated clip to just hook you in. Now you're here, great, stick with it. Moving across the middle of the road, it's not right away anyway, but just telling that car there, I'm coming through. You know what sort of car it is, they need telling. And off we go. Look at the rain, look at the road, look where the dry bit is. That middle of the road, position 3, you know that bit that no one ever supposed to ride on because it's all oily and stuff? Well, sometimes it's the best place to be. A couple of cars up ahead, going steady. There's the national speed limit signs. On a dry day, that overtake might have been on. On a day like today, we can't. We're still having a little sneaky look though. Car coming down, saw that over the top. So we'll just chill out again. Look at the junction sign, got a crossroad sign. Nice overhanging trees, leafy, snotty, bad. You know, oncoming vehicles, get out the way of them. You're thinking about your own safety all the time. Oh, corner coming up. There might be an overtake on, just around the outside of this corner. But hang on a minute, aren't we doing a YouTube thing? Where's your intro video in the middle of the video? You're slipping up. Hang on folks, it's just getting good. Bear with. Here it is, yeah. Intro video. You gotta have an intro video. Oh, what is it today? It's cold and raining. Yeah, we knew that. Let's carry on, shall we? Here we go. So now we've got that little episode out of the way. We've done our intro snazzy shot. We've done some snazzy text. We've put our intro video in the middle of the video itself. And now we're coming up behind some cars. We can concentrate on what we're actually doing now. Got a cross view, you can see some telegraph poles coming up. We're looking at the road, we've got the overband in. We want to put an overtake in there. Saw a glimpse of some headlights coming. We're just going on steady. I'm going to blink your eyes in a minute, get rid of that raindrop. And then looking up ahead, straight line all this corner out. Got some cars parked left and right, we don't know what they're up to. Just dropping it down into a 50. Keeping wide. Looking through the corner, nice new tarmac by the looks of things. Nice new bit of road here. Just keeping an eye on the white paint. White paint tends to be a little bit slippy, but if it does slip across it, just go relaxed. You know, it's not going to slip forever. Just be careful of your throttle inputs and brake inputs if you are having to cross the white lines. Avoid them if you can in this sort of conditions. You're always looking for the best, most stable position on the road. And sometimes that is the wrong place altogether. Come up to a roundabout. Let's go left. We haven't got a view onto the roundabout just yet, so just approach it so you can stop if you need to. There's a car just appearing, he had his indicator on, just check that he was going, and then round we go. Bit 50-pensy around that roundabout there. It's still early days, it's still knocking the rust off. Nice wide road. Which way is it going? We've got the national speed limit signs coming up. The hedge tells us where the road's going, so get over to the right hand side, look through that corner, and then you can start to wind some of that power in. Bearing in mind it is still raining, there's mud, you can see where the grip is. Change the tarmac, just be careful that you're not going to go from a grippy spot to a not so grippy spot. Roll it off again. There's the corner opening up, get over to the left hand side, ready for the right hand side. As you see round the corner, you can start to bring the power in again. As that corner opens up, there you go, and on we trot. Oncoming vehicles, and another corner up ahead. Staying out the way of the overbanded on the road if you can do. Keep an eye on that van, then moving it around. Hang on a minute, isn't it time for a word from our sponsor? No, you must be joking. I hate that as much as anybody else does. Here now look, World of Tanks. Come and have a tank. No. I'm watching your video, Colin. I don't want to worry about World of bloody Tanks. Left to left, left again. And off we go. Plenty of rain around. It is about 2 degrees. Plenty of standing water, plenty of things to think about. Nice smooth inputs. Bring the bike around. Looking through the corners as best you can, straighten them out as best you can. Keeping those tyres on the grippiest bit of the car mat that you can see. Okay, slippy slidey sign. Decide why that might be. Was it that little bit of broken tarmac, or is it because of the industry on the right hand side? It's like it's coming round and then wind it on again. Over the bridge, we don't know where the road goes. Wind it off and then back on again. Just keeping that nice steady pace up. Slowing the road, look through the corner, opens up. As soon as it opens up, you can cut that corner off. Find the tractor, move in for that one. It's not the tractor that's the problem, it's the car behind it looking to overtake the tractor. That's where the danger comes from. Straighten the road out, keep the bike stable and upright. It's wet and greasy, you don't want to be doing as many turns as you're doing as least number of turns as you want. So if you can keep the bike straight, that's good. Over to the left of the right-hander, looking at all the snot in the road, trying to avoid all that. Oncoming vehicles tell you the severity of the corner. Just keeping it flowing. Over to the left of the right-hander, looking through the corner as it opens up. On we go. Coming up behind a car. Thinking about our next move. Get into that responsive gear. Ready for that junction. He's going left. We'll go right. Keep it rolling. Steady away. You don't want to be tripping the... you don't want to be doing any wheel spins just yet. Up through the corner, opens up, then you can cut it off. Make that corner as long as you can. Through into the dead zone, you can see that. move round into the right and bring it back round again. Just putting enough acceleration on so they don't have to slow down so hard. Just keep it nice and steady. Straighten the corners up, back over to the left for the right hander. Coming up behind the car, we've got the solid white line on our side, so just easing off. No need to come rushing up behind it. We're slowing down for the speed restriction anyway. You can see how much it's raining still. It's getting rid of all that salt, mud and stuff, which is nice. Just whilst we're in this 40 zone, I may as well tell you, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and keep watching for further content. You've got to say that as well, normally towards the end of YouTube videos, but I thought I'd put it in there now. Got the corner sign, got the chevrons, coming out of the 40 into a 50, plenty of chevron signs, looking up across the hedge, seeing what we can see, anticipating an overtake coming on. There we go. Put your lights on, car, it's raining. Then around we go, just bringing that nice comfy pace back into it, rolling off the corner, lots of red lights on the car in front, lots of chevrons, nice responsive gear, tip it in, loads of chevrons, loads of brakes, tip it back in again, round we go. We're on the double whites at the minute, we're expecting hopefully to maybe get in front of this car in a little while, but give it the space it needs for now. No need to be up behind it. You can see how much is on the brakes. Might be a nervous driver. Having the brake lights on, not actually slowing down. Just biding the old time there. Best time to overtake if you can is off out of a corner. You know that the car is going to be going slower than you are. You can accelerate, use the bike's acceleration to pull away. So over to the left, just looking for when the white lines might break to see if there's an opportunity on. There they go. Back in before the other set. Okay, so plenty to go at really. It's a bit of a self-diagnostic thing. Car on the left, find out for that one. It's just a case of picking it up, reading those roads again, looking for those opportunities, advanced anticipation to see what might be happening, and finding that right level of grip on the road. Where's the grippy bit? Might not be the textbook place to be on the road, but if you've got some grip, go there and use it. our national speed limits. And off we go. Looking through the corners. Straightening those corners out. Moving over to the right for the S-bend sign that we had. First left, then right. Moving back into the car a little bit. Get into the right gear. Looking for that exit for the first corner, and then straight into the exit for the second corner. Tip it in, and round we go. It's all nice and steady. It's all nice and smooth. As you gotta be. Smoothness is the key. Straight across at this one, nothing coming down to the right, so straight across that roundabout, and away we go. Great, hope you enjoyed that, folks. Don't forget, subscribe, ring that bell, etc, etc, and word from my sponsors. See you next time. Oh, send me free stuff as well so I can test it, that'd be great. Cheers.